some of the stocks like Castrol or Chalet Hotel actually in the last few minutes has managed to perk up 8%. Shyam Metallics, JBM Auto, these are some of your big gainers right now. And Vedanta too has managed to see some amount of perk up. But let me just quickly talk about what else is happening in the market and overall tell you what are the other data points to watch out for the trading session tomorrow as well, because we understand that the JOLTS data will be out, the jobs data that is in the US, CDSL board meetings tomorrow to mull a bonus issue, Bajaj consumer buyback might start tomorrow, there's Oil India too, which is going to trade X bonus in the ratio of 1:2, and allied blenders and distilleries will also list on the bosses come tomorrow. On the losing side, quickly pull up Thermax, there's a bit of a pressure on that stock in the last few minutes, so just watching out for what's happening there as well. Quickly, let me actually toss it across to Winnie to get the market closing as well. Winnie, overall it's not been a bad day at all for the bulls. We have been in the green for most part of the trading session, but which are the big buses that we saw in the trade today?
Absolutely, we will be closing this Monday on a positive note, or not a bad start for the week that we're seeing coming in for the markets. So Nifty will be closing about the 24,100 mark. 139 is where we're seeing the close at, up 0.5% in trade. Sensex 2 is closing with gains of almost 0.5%, 79,470 coming in for the Sensex as well. Nifty Bank performing exactly this time with tandem with the benchmark indices, 0.4% of uptick that we are seeing for the Nifty Bank. So yes, keeping an eye out on that. Now today what is done well and what was performing well was the broader market. When you look at the Nifty mid cap, 1% gain there, Nifty small cap 2 trading with more than 1.5% almost of gains coming in for the Nifty small cap side. Let's pull up sectors, right? We'll talk about Nifty Media first. That's the one we're focusing on. Top sectorial gainer that we have for the Nifty Media, up 2.5%. And in that, let's pull up PVR because that was buzzing in trade after we had seen a good move coming in terms of the collection numbers for the recent release of Kalki movie, which was there over the weekend. First cut of the weekend has been very strong, 300 crore mark. And PVR surely buzzing in trade. Short-term positive, at least coming in for PVR Inox. So yes, that's the buzzer in trade today. Other than that, we had IT companies that were buzzing in trade. So yes, we had those previews started that coming in, and with that, Nifty IT surely among the top sectoral gainers. Whether you look at a TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all of them buzzing in trade. Persistent Systems even on the mid-cap side, we did have, whether you look at a Birlasoft, which managed to hold on to good gains today in trade as well. So yes, Wipro, double upgrade payment from CLSA, keeping an eye out on Wipro specifically after this double upgrade, target price of 607. So good move that we specifically saw for Wipro as well. Let's move on, talk about Walk Hard because that was locked in upper circuit today. 20% is the upper circuit that we saw for the thing, the stock, and it was, when you look at it in terms of price band change, that came in 5% to 20%. And now the stock is locked in upper circuit. Other than that, obviously the news flow that came in on Friday was in terms of the claims for the breakthrough drug resistant for a cancer patient, which is working out well for the company. A good market that they could capture in there. And Walk Hard, no mention about that. Surely holding on to very, very strong gains over there. JSW Infra, that's another one we should be focusing on the back of a news flow. JSW Infra today was holding on to good gains. Other than that, on the back of auto wins, we had seen Garden Reach as well as when you look at it in terms of NCC. We're keeping an eye out on both these stocks as well. On the back of order inflows today, closing the stock closing the day on a very strong footing over there. A lot of Q1 updates that came in today. So whether you look at it as a REC that managed to hold on to good gains, we had KBB, that's Karur Vysya Bank, decent gains that it saw in, but yes, gave off those gains. But that's how we'll be closing the day today. Advance decline ratio today clearly in the favor of advances versus declines, and a lot of positive moves, specifically for the IT as well, the media names.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.